is the very naughty one. Kuko is the very naughty. He spilled the water. And then you're running. Huh? You're running, Kuko? You spilled the water and then you are running right now. You know, Kuko, you know. You know, you are the one doing this. Huh? You are the one doing this. You are making me mad. Ewan ko sa'yo. Oo. Come on. Yun eh. The guilty is running. Here again, I am doing some fun. So, kasi nakakalungkot guys. Minsan, inabot na naman ako ng lungkot. So, ito na naman ako mag-exercise. So, punta lang guys, diba? Guys, here I am again, and this time guys I will show you or share with you my exercise for my arms. And this is like this is so easy guys. This is called arm circles. 1, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, reverse side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exercising our arms, guys, is important, especially if you are conscious of your arms. And when you get older, our arms change, the muscle change, becomes flabby in here, and sometimes if you're wearing like a sleeveless, and you will see something different. So try to do exercise. Subukan nyo guys mag-exercise ng arm circles. Even you on lang ang yung exercise is effective as long as you will do it every day. And we're gonna punch, like punching. This punching is also good for our arms. And you can hold something heavy like a bottle with water, guys, if you don't have dumbbell. Or you can just do exercise without any equipment like this. Make your hands so strong as like you are holding a heavy one. Punching again. And then this is so easy arms exercise. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can do at your back like this. And switch side. And yeah, like this. This is also good for our side pats. And return to the first one, the arm circles. Switch side. And scissors. Just like you are flying, just like a butterfly. You see like that? Small round circle. Punch again. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, that's all my exercise for arms and or shoulder exercise. Once again guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na upload ko. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Yan guys, binili ko dito sa park. 180 yan. 180 tapos pinasobrahan si Lolo yung nagtitinda doon. Pinasobrahan niya. Pinili ko yung yung medyo hilaw para hindi sabay-sabay lahat na bilisan ko pagkain kasi hinog na lahat. Ganda ng bulaklak guys. Saglit lang kami ni Akong kasi tingnan nyo madilim. Baka biglang umulan. Ayan. Sige. Lagi ko naman yan inano dito eh. Bini-video. Tapos dito na ako sa kabila. Kasi may taong dumaan. Baka magalit na picture na ko siya. Ako sa kanila, lagyan na lang dito ng kangkong. Diba? Ayan si Akong. Ayan si Akong. Ayan si Akong. Sabihin natin si Akong. Ayan. Hello guys, kauwi lang namin ng alaga ko guys. Winter na winter guys. Kaya tatlo yung suot ko. I wear 3. But I'm sweating guys. I'm sweating kasi ang layo din ang nilakad ko. At saka ang bigat ng alaga ko itulak. So I'm sweating much guys. So I will change now my clothes. Because I'm sweating. Ipakita ko pala sa inyo yung binili ko. Doon sa park at saka dito sa malapit. Ito guys, bumili ako. Ito yung iniinom ko pagka sumakit yung ulo ko. I have problem with lack of sleep, guys. Sumasakit yung ulo ko. So, I take this. I bought this 100 NT. 100 NT. Medyo madilim, guys. 100 NT. Nagsawa ko ang isang ilaw. Yan, guys. Ito nga, guys. Ang bili ko ay ito yung pag sumakit yung ulo ko. Ito ang iniinom ko siya. Isang beses lang sa isang araw. Ito yun. Tingnan, ang laman sa loob nun ay yan, may isa pa akong natira. Hindi ako araw-araw sumasakit ang ulo, guys. May time na sumasakit talaga ang ulo ko. Kasi may time na hindi ako basta-basta makatulog. Kasi sa gabi, guys, 3 or 4 times ko palitan ang alaga ko ng diapers. Ilan laman ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10 pieces, 100 NT ito. So, guys. At ito pa yung binili ko, guys. Ayan, banana. Yan, maliliit na saging, guys. Marami ito, guys. Yung iba, green pa ang ano ko. Ayan. Ayan. Yan, si banana. Favorite ito na banana dito, guys. Maliit siya, pero masarap. So, guys, ito lamang at mag-ayos na ako ng mga kailangan ng alaga ko sa dinner. At yung vitamins niya or gamot na mga iniinom, ihanda ko na. So, guys, see you next time. Tingnan ko ito. Yun na lang, guys. Wala na ako masabi. Basta see you next time. Once again, guys, pala, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hello, guys. Welcome again. And gumagamit nga pala ko, guys, ng vitamins. Number 1 ginagamit kong vitamins na hindi ako nawawalan ay vitamin C. Any brand of vitamin C, guys, tinitake ko as long as yung available. For example, this one, next time not available, not another brand, ibang brand na naman, hindi Centrum. So, bibili ako basta as long as vitamin C. Yan, guys. Ito yung, meron pa akong natira doon na ibang brand. Kunti na lang. So, after maubos nun, ito yung isusunod ko na vitamin C. I'm pack with vitamin C, guys. Gumagamit talaga ako. Number 1, vitamin C. Yung iba hindi masyadong important sa akin. Pero vitamin C.